Are you a company owner and feel like your internal communication could be stronger? Or maybe you're managing a team and struggling to keep employees engaged, motivated, and aligned with your company's goals? Whether it's a corporate office, a factory, or even a hybrid workplace, digital signage can become the tool that transforms how your organization communicates and operates every day. Hi guys, I'm Gabriel, and you're on the Log Digital Signage channel, where we talk about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll always be the first to catch our helpful new videos. Today we're diving into a big topic: corporate digital signage. Why it matters, how to use it, and how to set it up the right way. By the end of this video, you will know why digital signage can become a perfect tool for your business and how Look Digital Signage can help you make the most of it. Let's start with a scenario. Imagine you're running a mid-sized company with a few hundred employees. HR sends out dozens of important emails every week, announcements, policy changes, reminders. But half of your staff either misses them, ignores them, or opens them days later. Employees feel disconnected, managers feel unheard, and visitor areas look outdated with old posters. Now imagine instead that you have digital screens across the office. In the lobby, a big display welcomes visitors with your latest brand video. In the cafeteria, employees see birthdays, company milestones, and even menus. In production areas, safety instructions and real-time alerts run automatically. Everyone is aligned, informed, and even motivated, without endless email reminders. That's the difference digital signage makes. Corporate communication is often broken when it relies only on email and meetings. Digital signage creates a visual, dynamic, centralized channel that people cannot miss. It boosts employee engagement because staff feel connected to company goals when updates are visible and transparent. It increases productivity by reducing confusion and saving time. It reinforces company culture when recognition and values are shared on screen. And it improves the visitor experience with a professional first impression. There are many ways companies already use digital signage. Internal communication boards display announcements, HR policies, or upcoming events. Recognition screens spotlight employee achievements, promotions, or birthdays. Meeting room displays synced with calendars eliminate scheduling chaos. Performance dashboards with KPIs or sales metrics become visible to everyone in real time. Lobbies welcome visitors with branded videos and personalized greetings. Factories show safety rules, emergency alerts, or compliance reminders. Training teams use digital signage for onboarding videos or micro-learning during breaks. And to keep things fresh, screens often show company values, CSR updates, news, or social media feeds. Every department, HR, operations, IT, leadership, finds value in this tool. But how do you centrally manage content across all these screens? How do you ensure consistent and timely communication across all branches at once? Digital signage software takes care of this. Without proper software, there are no remote updates. So someone has to physically visit every screen. There is no scheduling, which means content runs on a loop with no targeting by time or audience. There is no personalization, so everyone sees the same irrelevant messages. And there is no interactivity or live data. No dashboards, no calendar syncs, no real-time metrics. That's why digital signage software isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So what should corporate digital signage software include? First, remote management is essential so you can update content from anywhere. This can be implemented both in a cloud solution and within on-premises deployment, which may be an important option for organizations with strict IT policies. Multi-user roles and permissions allow HR, marketing, and IT to collaborate without interfering with each other. Advanced scheduling ensures the right message reaches the right audience at the right time. Integrations with calendars, dashboards, and social feeds add relevance. Security and compliance features are non-negotiable for enterprises. Scalability matters too. Your network should grow with your company from one office to dozens worldwide. And analytics help you track uptime and measure what content works best. Without these features, you're basically running a slideshow. With them, You're building a strategic communication channel. And this is where LoopDS shines. It's cloud-based, but also offers an on-premise options for maximum security and control. It supports multi-user management with advanced permissions, so teams can manage their own content safely. Its flexible scheduling makes it easy to target messages by time, date, and location. Updates apply instantly, whether you're running one screen or hundreds worldwide. It offers a single sign-on feature and allows integration with other corporate tools via API, which greatly simplifies the user experience and the implementation of the CMS into the company's unified IT infrastructure. Its simple editor and templates mean HR or communications teams can create great-looking content without design skills. It scales smoothly, so whether you're running a single office or a global enterprise, it works. And it stays cost-effective, so you don't need the Fortune 500 budget. That's why hundreds of companies trust LoopDS to build modern corporate communication systems. Try yourself with a 14-day free trial or book a personal demo to learn more and discuss the details of your project. All links are in the description below. Well, to sum it up, corporate digital signage isn't just about screens. It's about creating a workplace where communication flows, employees feel valued, and company culture shines everywhere. That's all for today's ultimate guide to corporate digital signage. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our new content. Thanks for watching. I'm Gabriel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.